Good morning students, I am Harshvardhan, your physics teacher. Now we study today's the next module, that is fifth module, and first topic is retardation. And here retardation, an acceleration of a moving body having its final velocity is less than its initial velocity. Okay, acceleration is a type of retardation is a type of acceleration. Okay, retardation is a type of acceleration in which final velocity is less than its initial velocity. Okay, and it is also denoted by acceleration and here contain minus. Okay, R denote the retardation, U denote the initial velocity, V is final velocity and T is a time taken. Here note, here initial velocity is greater than its final velocity. Okay, it is also known as negative acceleration. Okay, just like when we apply a brake then of the vehicles, then it becomes reduce their speed and after some times it becomes in rest position. Then their initial velocity is greater than its final velocity. Their final velocity becomes 0. If initial velocity is greater than 0, then this become retardation. Okay. Next, it is a vector quantity. An example of retardation is, suppose the vehicles are moved from in straight path. Here first position is A, then B, C, D. First position have initial velocity is 50 meter per second, then 40, then 30, then 10 and so on in every seconds. First time is T1 1 second, T2 is 2 seconds, T3 is 3 second and here is 4 second. Let us take from A to B. What is the retardation from A to B? Then from A to B, R equal to, from formula, their initial velocity is 50. Then here is 50 minus 40 and interval of time is from 1 to 2, that is 1. Then this is their retardation and contain minus sign because due to its velocity is become downfall. Also from B to C retardation final velocity is 30 and initial velocity is 40 and time interval is 1 second. Then here is also minus 10 meter square and so on. From C to D, retardation is, this is retardation 1, this is 2, this one is 3. Okay, from C to D, then final velocity is 10 and initial velocity is 30. Then in time interval is 1 second. From T3 is 3 second and T4 is 4 second. Then their interval is 1 second. Then here 1 second so give the interval between C to D time. Then this one is 20 meter per second squares. That's all. Thank you.